Hi. So, have you wondered sometimes why is it so difficult to meditate? I've heard so many people say I'm not able to meditate. I don't think I can silence my mind, and so on and so forth. Meditation doesn't work for me. Well, I'm just sharing my perspective. I feel one of the main reasons why we feel we cannot meditate is because the expectations we have about meditation. It has to be a certain way. I have to be able to silence my mind. I should be in a thoughtless space, a blank space. Well, that could be the ultimate aim, but everyone has their own journey. And if you start attaching the end result, that this is the end result, this is what I want, isn't that against the entire principle of being in the moment and letting it flow? Be an allowance of whatever it is. For each one of you, it'll be a unique experience. Allow it. If the thoughts are coming, don't be hard on yourself for it. Just allow them to happen. They will pass too. If your mind is diverting, allow the diversion. Gently get it back. It's all right if you're not able to train your thoughts immediately, but if you start putting so much pressure and expectation on yourself, then that goes against the entire principle of meditation. For so many people, music could be a meditative space, dancing could be a meditative space. Wherever you feel that you can be 100% present in some form, you are already meditating.